So for this question, we want to write 240 as a product of its prime factors. This means we want to work out the unique combination of prime numbers that when multiplied together give an answer of 240. To do this, we're going to use the factor tree method. So I'm going to start with the number 240 at the top, and I am looking for two numbers that when I multiply them together, they give an answer of 240. I'm going to go with 2 and 120. Every time you get to a prime number, you circle it. So 2 is prime, and so we've circled that one. Now I'm looking for two numbers that when I multiply them together, they give an answer of 120. I'm going to go with 10 and 12. Neither of these are prime, and so I'm going to continue my factor tree down from both of these. So now I'm looking for two numbers that when I multiply them together, they give 10. I'm going to go with 2 and 5, both of which are prime, and so I'm going to circle both of those. Now for two numbers that multiply to make 12, I'm going to go with 2 and 6. 2 is prime, so again, I'm going to circle that one, and I need to continue my factor tree down from 6. Two numbers that multiply to make 6, 2 and 3, both of which are prime, and so we circle both of them. Now the final thing I need to do is write these prime factors that we've got circled multiplied together. So I've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And this question doesn't specify, but questions will often ask you to use index notation for this, which means at the end, rather than having these 2's multiplied together, I'm going to write it as 2 to the power of 4, which means the same thing, times by 3 times by 5. This is my final answer, and it wouldn't matter which method you'd used to break down 240, so you may not have started with 2 and 120, you may have started with something else, but either way you will get to the same product of prime factors at the end.